62-acre site in Las Vegas purchased by Oakland Raiders for $77.5 million. The team is expected to begin play no later than 2020 in a planned 65,000-seat domed stadium at a cost of about $1.9 billion United States dollars. Photo by Ethan Miller, Getty Images, LAS Vegas, Cron, a heartbreaking sight for Raider fans in the Bay Area, a live stream tracking the progress of the Las Vegas stadium. While it's clear the construction has barely begun, the view is a haunting reminder that in a few seasons, the Oakland Raiders will be a ghost of the past. It looks like nothing more than a dirt lot, littered with cranes and various trucks and equipment, but the transformation is expected to be complete in time for the 2020 NFL season. What others are clicking on? Greater than more stories. Copyright 2018 Nexstar Broadcasting, Inc. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed.